The things in life that we usually overlook are the smallest ones. We usually think, how can something so small help us? Well, nanotechnology challenges that very question and manipulates matter at the really tiny nanosize. As you know, nano is the prefix meaning 1/1000th or 10 to the minus 9. If I took 1 meter and divided it into a billion different parts, each part would be 1 nanometer. Nanotechnology is a combination of physics, chemistry, and engineering. Add biology and you get a beautiful new branch of science, nanomedicine. So technically, nanomedicine is a medical application of nanotechnology. Nanomedicine has the potential to soon revolutionize the field of medicine in terms of detection, management, and cure of several diseases. Currently, nanomedicine is and can be used to do many things in the medical field. Some of them are, number 1, drug delivery. Any treatment we take for a specific ailment, such as eating a pill, an injection we take, or even an ointment we apply, has some side effect or the other. The medicine will be required to treat a specific organ, but it might go and mess up with another one, which is obviously unneeded and unnecessary. In the future, nanomedicine can and is applied currently to make sure that the correct dosage of medicine is administered efficiently right to the organ where it has to affect. Very small, appropriately named nanoparticles are injected into the patient, just like any other injection. This is the structure of a typical nanoparticle. It consists of a covalently attached ligand, the drug, and a surface modifier. This has been injected into a person. Let's just say this person has some issue with the liver. These nanoparticles travel to the liver and attach to it courtesy of the ligand covalently attached to the surface of the nanoparticle. Thus attached, the nanoparticle releases the drug. The drug invades the liver cells. The nanoparticle degrades, and now the liver has appeared to have been cured. Number 2, early detection and targeted cure for cancer. As you all know, cancer is the uncontrolled proliferation of invasive, undifferentiated cells. Cancer is treated by various methods: chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. Well, all these 3 methods have unneeded side effects and can damage healthy living tissues. Plus, they're not exactly very efficient if the cancer has already spread throughout the body. In the future, nanomedicine can be used to detect and kill cancer cells without harming the healthy tissues. A nanoparticle containing a fluorescent molecule is injected into the person's body. This nanoparticle will bind to the cancer cells if present in the person, and the fluorescence can be detected by various methods. So now we know where the cancer is. Apparently, this person seems to have a tumor somewhere in his abdomen. Luckily, nanoparticles are here to save the day. The appropriate nanoparticle containing the drug to kill cancer cells is injected into the person's body. Similar to drug delivery, this nanoparticle binds to the cancer cell, releases the drug, and kills it. There might even be techniques to combine the two. So a nanoparticle might contain both fluorescent molecules and drugs to kill the cancer cells. Nanomedicine is a growing branch of science, and you can bet that it will grow in the future as well. In fact, in the future, you might even see something called a nanorobot. So what are nanorobots? These are hypothetical devices that are about the size of a few micrometers, or 10 to the minus 6 meters. So I guess it would be not appropriate to call them nanorobots. Well, if these nanorobots were to be introduced into a human body, the possibilities of what these could do would be endless. They could function as antibodies and fight pathogens in a person with immunodeficiency. They might clear arteries of a person with a heart ailment, or even clear the lungs of somebody with a respiratory disorder. So, as you have learned, nanomedicine is a modern-day science, and it can be used in the future to our advantage. And in fact, this is what the 3 recipients of the 2016 Nobel Prize in Chemistry did when they devised molecular machines. So who knows, maybe one day you and I could achieve something in this very science. Thank you.